One more question. I am taking sea moss every morning.
That's good.
With banana, apple.
Man. Bananas are acid. Apples are acid. And you take something that's alkali, like sea moss, and you put something acid in it, you have just adulterated it. Eat it by itself. Or sweeten it with some maple syrup. Don't put anything else in it.
How about honey?
Honey? That stuff is deadly. One of America's greatest musicians by the name of Eric Dolphy, bass clarinet. I met the brother because I met him on train at the same time. This man used to drink 2 tablespoons of honey every day because at the time in New York in the 50s and the 60s, honey was on the top of the list because the Bible talked about honey. But what the people didn't know, the honey the Bible talk about comes from a natural bee. The bee that you have today is a hybrid animal. That honey is acid, it is sugar. It will give you diabetes. You tell a diabetic to eat that honey, see what's going to happen. Send his sugar way out of whack. He died of a sugar attack in Germany. Eric Dolphy died with that honey. God did not make that bee. The bee that makes the honey that is alkali is a small little fly. You Jamaicans have seen it. They make the honey in the trees, in the holes, and they go in the ground. Black America doesn't know that. That's why they could sell Black America anything. Because the one thing you and I have as Caribbean, we grew up in the middle of the forest. We understand the forest. Black America understands asphalt. Right. They don't know the forest. So when you put something in front of a Black American brother and sister, they are handicapped. They don't know. It's not that they couldn't know and they would not like to know, but the environment prevents them from knowing certain things. When we, on the other hand, we know. Like in Jamaica, they have the Icaco or the what do you call it, the sugar plum? Cocoa plum. They call it June plum. Yeah. And then they have the other one they call Dawns in Trinidad, the little yellow cherry. Dawns. Okay. America doesn't know these things. We have thousands of fruit that America doesn't know about. We could defend ourselves in the forest because when I went to Africa, the same thing I saw in the West Indies, I saw in Africa. I said, look at that. You know what shining bush is? Shining bush, right? It grows between the rocks. It's pretty. Smells good. You eat that. That stuff gives you energy immediately. I saw it in Guinea. I saw it all over Zimbabwe. But like I said, I came back disappointed because I found visiting 14 African leaders, 17 different countries, they look at me like I'm stupid. Oh God, this is delicious. I said, look at this. Is this how far glucose has traveled? And all these years, Dr. Sebi prides himself as being an African. And now that he's in Africa, they're looking at him as though he's less than equitable. I say, man, I'm in trouble.